professionally and I will room for work.
Hi mom, excuse me, do you have a moment? If now isn't a good time, I will come back later.
Oh, I'm arrived early. So I feel prepared. I arrived 10 minutes and I prepared the schedule of the meeting.
When a meeting starts, I silent my phone to avoid checking social media.